Hello everyone. Are you tired of eating bread and butter every time? Then try this. This is a very simple, delicious recipe I love to share with you. Exactly what you see on this screen. When was the last time you had this for your breakfast? You will love it. Your kids will love it. With just one ingredient, everyone. Keep watching. We're making something delicious for breakfast, and let's dive into it, everyone. So first, I'll place my pan on fire. Once it gets hot, I will grease with the butter. Grease your pan with any butter of your choice. And next, I will go in with my sliced bread. We do this toast on a low flame. Keep watching because we're not just toasting the bread, we are going to do something to make it juicy inside. So once it turns golden brown, everyone, flip to the next side and allow it to turn golden brown as well. Everyone, let me know at the comment section when you had this simple bread recipe. It's super easy to make but delicious. I mean, every time we just eat bread and butter, bread and egg. Please, after this video, tell me how you see this recipe and try it out. So the first two sets is done. Let's continue. I will repeat the same process until I get the quantity of bread I want. But hey, I'm not going to make all the quantity that I want on this video. I'm just going to share how I prepare mine, so you can do yours as well to make it juicy after toasting on a pan. So easy and no stress, everyone. If you love this, let me know at the comment section. So at least 4 slices is ready, and you see how they look. The whole kitchen is filled with the aroma, just one ingredient, the butter. So this is what this look like. It looks super crunchy outside, but it's going to be juicy in the next second. Keep watching, don't go away. Don't forget to thumbs up for me, and if you like this kind of video, let me know if you would want me to make more of it in another style. So let's make it juicy. So to make our toast bread juicy, everyone, I'll go in to spray my delicious butter. Use any butter of your choice. Some would like to put in lots of veggies, lots of things in, but I just want to spray some butter. After spreading this butter and fold it into 2, oh man, just a bite. It's so juicy and crunchy. Everyone, your kids will love it. This can go to their lunch box. They can have it breakfast. Super easy to make. This is what it look like. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this very simple to make bread toast. Just a small time you are done. All right, this will go well with bread. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye.